People with the spirit of learning, thank you very much for coming back to my YouTube channel. My name is Angga, and now we're gonna learn how to design and how to code for the user interface design for the Android development. Okay, so today we're gonna learn how do we design the onboarding for the getting user started with the Adobe XD and Android Studio for the Android development. And I already provide for you those assets in the video's description, and after you download all of them, we are ready to getting started. Okay everyone, with the spirit of learning, let's get started right now. Everyone, with the spirit of learning, this is my Adobe XD, and I just have two pages screen for the mobile, for the Android application, and I believe that you might say, wow, it's just amazing. It's because of this illustration and the color combination and then the typography. Well, I've been struggling to make all of them to make it fit and looks eye-catching for the design. Okay, so for you, you don't have to think about the design. You just need to you just need to follow my video tutorial, and after that, you're gonna get the design kinda like this. Wow, amazing, right? And those illustration, I bought it from one of my friend in Yogyakarta, Indonesia. His name is Agani. So if you wanna buy, you have to check in the video's description, because I already provide to you for a link to buy the illustration. Okay, so we're gonna create like this in the Android Studio for the Android application. Wow, it's just amazing, right? So this is for the onboarding. So whenever user click it, and they have to set up the email address. Wow, amazing. So in this tutorial, I already provide for you fonts and then illustration. This is the demo version, but if you wanna buy the full version, make sure you check in the video's description. Okay, and then yeah, I got fonts here that we're gonna copy them into our Android Studio project. To target to the files manage. This is my project name, and then src, and then main, and then in here we're gonna provide assets, and inside of the assets I will provide fonts, and then I will copy them like this. Okay, amazing. So whenever you check in the Android Studio project, in the app especially, there's the assets that we call fonts. Okay, all right, so we're heading to the activity main. So I'm gonna remove this action bar, go to values and then styles, and then remove the action bar, which is no action bar. Okay, and for the status bar color, I will put it to the Adobe XD here. I'm gonna get the background color and then put them into the colors. Just replace it to the color primary dark, this one. Okay, amazing. So we're gonna check in the preview. Wow, all right. So in the background, we use the background color primary dark like this. Okay, cool, right? And in the text view, I'm gonna remove it and change this text to the, let me check in the Adobe XD, organize files like a pro. Okay, I'm gonna put it, and then might have to follow in these properties like title get, and then margin star, and then margin top, and then this is for the text color. And the reason why I put the ID is because I wanna customize this text view with the customized font. Okay, so right now we're gonna customize it first in the main activity. So the thing that you have to do is to register the text view here like this, and then title get. Okay, after you register the text view here, you have to find it by the ID that we set it before, and this is for the Montserrat like, M like, and this is for the Fideloka. So we're gonna import those font type for the Montserrat like and Fideloka, and then we customize it to the title get like this. Okay, and now I'm gonna preview it in the emulator. So this is the organized files like pro. Okay, and I think that the font size is supposed to be bigger, which is about 48. So let's go here, 48. Okay, now it seems like so huge, and okay, let's go ahead to the another sentence, which is finishing project on time by starting to organize it clearly. Okay, so I think we just need to duplicate this text view. So this is for the subtitle, and finishing project on time, and then you see this is the thing that we just copy paste from here, and we modify a little bit. And don't forget to customize the font style in the Java with the Montserrat like, and you will see like this kind of thing. Wow, amazing, right? And right now we just need to focus on the another things, which is a button. Okay, so we have to provide the button here with the button, and this is the button get started, give the ID and width, and then height, and then give the margin start. Don't forget to target to the subtitle, because we want to make this button below of the subtitle. Okay, and after that we just need to provide a new drawable here, which is a background button. Okay, and in the background button we have to make it like radius, and this is the background for the button, and then we have to replace them to the background button. Okay, and there's a radius. Cool. And for the font style, we have to register in the Java. So this is the button that we just customize the font, but the font size, I think it's so small, so I want to make it maybe 24 sp. Okay, now it looks balanced for sizes, for the size. And then yeah, this is for the button, and we gotta provide the image view. Now I just want to copy all of them into drawable over here, and like this. Okay, and then after that I just want to give source like this, and then a pick get. Okay, but it looks so huge, then I have to make it a little bit smaller, maybe just go with 300 dp, and then 300 dp. Okay, and the thing that I have to do, just give the margin bottom and then margin right like this, and I think 300 is bigger, so I just want it make it smaller, about 280. Okay, and for the margin it's supposed to be 0 and then 0. Okay, amazing, right? So we just need to duplicate this design to the another activity. Okay, so you have to go to Java and Android test here, sorry, this one, the top one, and then a new and activity, and then empty activity. Okay, and this one for the get started email. Okay, and finish. Okay, so this is the home screen, and when we click this get started button, it goes to the another activity, which is get started email, right? So in this section I just want to copy from the previous screen, just like this. Okay, and then in the organize we have to change it to the get started, and then remove this subtitle because we don't really need. Okay, and for the button, yeah, I think that we have to remove this one. Wait, let me remove it. Okay, and then drag it to the get started. Okay, just like this. No, sorry, below of the get started, later on we got the input type, so for this I will replace it first with the pitget Dua. Okay, amazing. So in the button, just let it first. We wanna focus on the edit text. Okay, so this is the edit text for the email address. You just need to follow the instruction that I give, and this is the customized drawable from the background input. Okay, and the background input is supposed to be here. Alright, so they got the corners, stroke, and then solid. Okay, and now we just need to go to Java to connect those layout with the from the activity main here. So we have to go back to the main activity Java over here. And then for this one, you have to target to the button get started, and then set on click listener to move it to the another screen. This one. Okay, so right now we just want to focus on the animation, and I already provide the anim folder inside of the RES, and we got 3 versions. One like this, and then the second is like this, just different for the start offset, and then the last one is like this. Okay, so we have to put it on the main activity. So whenever I click this file manage our application, this is the onboarding. Wow, looks amazing, right? The design looks so exclusive. Wow. So you have to import the animation, and then you import it, and then after that you set it to the title, subtitle, and then button get started. Okay, and I think another animation is for the image. You know, there's the image. If we click here, okay, there's the opacity of the image. Okay, so I think you just need to repeat the last step that we did into this animation. So this is the file manage when we open it like this. Okay, so this is for the image alpha, and I already give them the IDs for the image view, like image get, you see here, and then we register them over here. So in the animation for the EMG alpha, it's just using the alpha like this. Okay, but the offset supposed to be 800. All right, so I think that you just need to go to get started, and then you copy all of them from the main activity. Okay, so when I open this files manage 1 2 3, wow, the design looks amazing, right? Okay, and right now you just need to follow this get started email. So this is for the edit text. You have to give the IDs over here, input email, and this one supposed to be below of the input email for the button. All right, and yeah, so far that we have like this, and it's quite nice for you, for your app design, for your own application. The design, it looks amazing. Okay, so thank you very much. People with the spirit of learning, I hope that was amazing, and I hope that was useful for you, and please consider to hit that subscribe button if you think this video is helping you. And you could also share this tutorial with your friends, with your families, and with your coworkers. Okay everyone with the spirit of learning, thank you very much for your time, and I'll see you in the next time. So goodbye.